Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, thanks for the invitation. It's a privilege for me to address all of you today. So we know that our background is in facility management. And facility management is just not merely bricks and mortars itself. It entails the orchestration holistically for the human capital, the streamline process, as well as the cutting-edge technology. And in my following slides, I will talk about what CBM covers, the security industry as a whole, and how the technology plays a part in addressing the needs of the real environment itself. So CBM at a glance, we started from 1971, so we are 52 years old this year. We actually are an integrated facility management company, and we offer a diverse range of services across the industry, from laundry to engineering to environmental, and then of course security as a main part of it. What is facility management, right? So it's a profession that truly encompasses the multidisciplinaries to ensure the functionality for the real environment, right? This one is through the integration of the various facades and by integrating the people, places, and technology itself. So the type of facilities that we cover range from residential to commercial to industrial and others. We also split in terms of the facility needs between the hard and soft services. And of course, security services is what we are talking about today itself. The types of facility that actually require security services range across different type of buildings. This will be industrial, commercials, and so on. So this is a breakdown according to MHA itself. So you can see that majority of the space that actually requires services, security services, are actually the industrial itself. And what we see in terms of pictures above are the kind of projects we take on to provide the services. So let me talk a bit about the security industry itself. We actually provide the essential security services across for the industry. And we know that in this industry, we have more than 500 security service providers, 380 agencies, as well as 51,000 personnel in this industry. And we also know that there is a security ITM roadmap provided by the MHA. And supporting that is also the security industry digital plan supported by IMD itself. This is what we see in terms of digital solutions that is being offered. This is only a snapshot of what we deal for that portion. And as well as this is what we see on the ground, physically what everybody will see. Robots, cameras, and personnel responding to the threats and potential warnings. In terms of the integration of the SmartSecurity FM itself, so we have three areas. Of course, we have the productivity tools, whereby we who have roving agents with GPS enabled to be able to go around. The automation, that we have to log the incidents and be able to respond through the robotics and so on. And of course, the integration to the platforms. So how we are seeing this as a whole on the ground, we split into integrated facility management. So if you can imagine a single property itself, they will require many of services like M&E, they have security, and of course they have also cleaning itself. So how we want to see this is having a platform that can integrate all these different services across. And this is only for a single property. We call it integrated FM model. But if you were to see the following itself, we also can apply this model across to multiple clusters. So we call this aggregated FM itself, right? And this is what we have been towards, and this is actually our target across. We are looking forward to be able to provide holistic solutions for the industry in this case. Last but not least, I want to share with you this short snippet. This is the inspiration of transformation. So we know that this story is about, I don't know how many of you have seen this movie, but it's about some of them actually they will drop out from the society and they join the US Army itself. So I want to quote this person, right? His name is Ox, and you see that he's a plump guy, but essentially this is what he said.
I'm gonna walk out of here a lean, mean fighting machine.
So that is the message that we want to bring across, right? So by ourselves, individually, we will not be able to have this, right? But if we have integration of the entire platform, this is what we plan to achieve in a sense. So with that, thank you very much.